Hello there.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna be talking about the $25 all-in-one digital business, and promoting it. So, I guess, the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because, we need the items in it anyway. Okay. We need a funnel builder and a bunch of other stuff, emails, whatever it may be, right? We need all that stuff. And like every system, like every funnel builder on the planet right now, well, the most popular funnel builder right now is, I believe, ClickFunnels. And back when I used to use it, it was $91 a month. $91 a month. And it came with limitations, and to get rid of those limitations, like only a certain amount of people can look at your page, I just thought that was just ridiculous. That's why I keep mentioning it. And you have to upgrade to the $200-$300 program. Now that was back when I was using it. I since moved to this product here, but back when I was using that as a funnel builder, it was just so expensive. And it's still the most popular funnel builder out today. I believe this system here is actually easier to use, so on and so forth. Very easy to use. I like this system here. Okay. Second reason why I like using it is I like promoting the $25 business here is because of its affiliate system. It's a very strong system. And it gives you 80% recurring commissions. That means you get paid every single month 80% of the income. I promise you won't find anything higher than that. Every single month 80% of the income, you're not gonna find that. The highest I ever seen was something like, I believe it was like 50% at first, and then went down to like 20% every month or something like that, right? That's the highest I've seen. Besides this product here, this is 80% every month. That it is, so it makes it so much easier to build like an income with this system. You see what I'm saying? Sorry guys, I woke up so early this morning and I got so much stuff to do. I'm still pretty sleepy. I'm very sorry about that. But anyway, let's get to it here. Now, as we can see here, we did not get a sale yesterday. All right, which is totally fine. And now the reason why I did the, refresh there is to show you the real results of the system working here. I'm very into showing you guys that, because I want to show you what you making. This is what you're making with the minimum effort, guys. All I do is make these videos. I do exactly what's in these videos. I'm making money. That's all I really do. You get this link here, right? This is the one you want to use, the all-in-one $25 business. This is the link to use for my lead gen secrets here. So we're gonna go to that. We're gonna go to my lead gen secrets. You sign in. You go to the mailing system right there. You click this right here, get all your leads. We're gonna go with, what was the last one? Billion. Let's go with this one. Get up to 120. We're gonna try this email here. I'm gonna pan down through the email if you're interested in using it yourself. So that's what we'll do now. So I like to use shorter, more catchier emails, so to speak. More clickbaity emails, I guess you could say. I feel like they work the best in this system. I seem to get more results from that than like a really long email. A really long email seems to get me less clicks. So we're gonna focus on that. So you can pause at any time and copy what's been written here. anyway, at the end here, this is where you'll put your link at the very bottom here. You can put your signature if you want to. I found that it seems like it doesn't really matter that much. Maybe I'd do better if I put my signature. I don't know, but it seems like it doesn't matter. I get sales either way, either or, you know what I mean? So anyway, you want to make sure the link works here, guys. So you click on this to make sure the link works, and if it works, you send it. And make sure to click on perfect timing before you do, because what perfect timing does, it'll send an email around the time people like to check their emails, which could be 8 a.m., 10 p.m., depending on the person. All right. So anyway, that's all said and done. That's all that it takes, guys. Simple. It's very simple. This took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to do. That's because I already got the email in there, but I'm talking to you guys for most of that time, just sitting there talking. So for you, it'll probably take you about, once you got your emails loaded up in the system, it'll probably take you about a minute or two every day to do. And you can make you some money online. You can make you hundreds of dollars online. I made almost $1,200, guys, in the last, maybe 2 months? Something like that. Already. I ain't started doing this. I think this is day 32 or 33. But yeah, I'm getting to 2 months. I don't have the system so far. But yeah, that's just how easy it is, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links in the description below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.